Tracking. Tracked. Alert. Subject obtained. Signal lost.
Hello and welcome to Maxed Out PC TV. We have a time-lapse video that I'm going to be building this computer in a time-lapse speed, so everything's going to be like really quick. Basically this has been built by me, custom built for a client of mine, and also it's already been unboxed and I've already taken higher resolution pictures and everything of all the components used in this PC build. So basically all you need to do is go to www.maxoutpctv.co.uk, check out the high resolution pictures and the read-ups and write-ups about all the stuff that I'm using here, and you can also go to Facebook and Blogger and all that sort of stuff, look at the high resolution pictures, and obviously you're here at YouTube, so you'll be obviously seeing me do the time lapse, building the actual components of the computer, putting it into the Obsidian 350 Corsair case. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with what we're using in my client's build, which is Obsidian 350D. Case is by Corsair. Lovely little case, fits mini-ITX and micro-ITX case. Using the motherboard by Gigabyte, and it's the H77N Wi-Fi. Also comes with Bluetooth, which is 4.0. Comes with 2 HDMI ports. And I won't go into it all too much because there's too much information to go through, as I'm going to be also doing a time-lapse video. But on the slide video show, like the video sliders, you'll actually see what components are there and everything like that, so you can get a gist of the idea. I'm also using a Corsair CX 430 power supply. Obviously it's nothing too powerful for gaming or anything like that. That's why we opted with this this processor, which is the Core i3 3240, and this is a dual core processor. It also comes with the old school Intel cooler, which we're not going to use because we opted to go with the cooler 620 by Antec, and I've used one of these water coolers years ago and optimised the cooling in this actual system. It's nice and quiet, everything goes alright with them, they last for ages, so I went with one of them. Also went with the Kingston, which I've already opened it up because obviously I took pictures and stuff. Went for the Kingston 120 gig solid state hard drive, which is 10 times or up to 10 times faster than your average hard drive, which is like 7,200 RPM speed. So this will be a kick-ass hard drive by Kingston. And I'm only using one hard drive, obviously, one for the operating system, probably putting Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 on there, and obviously her software to go on there as well, so nothing major. We're also using Ballistics by Crucial Memory, 1600 MHz, dual channel memory RAM. So we're using that all lights up. I'm not too sure what the colour is, but we'll find out. We've also got the Gigabyte 7050 keyboard and mouse, nice and cheap. Feels okay, no mechanical keyboard or mouse there, but well, not mechanical mouse, but mechanical keyboard. So it's just for work at the end of the day, so everything's all simple. We're using the BenQ 22-inch monitor screen as well, so we're going up to 1920 1080p like graphics, so everything will be alright there. But as I said, nothing too intense with the graphics and stuff. And we're going to get building, and obviously it's a time lapse, so you're going to watch me build this computer, and it's going to be really fast, as I said. And so sit back and enjoy. Thanks for watching Maxed Out PC TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out the high resolution pictures of this computer and all the other products that I've done in the past. Check out Blogger, Facebook, Twitter, and also check out our website www.maxedoutpc.co.uk. Thanks for watching Maxed Out PC TV.